For millions of years, countless organisms have lived on Earth. But are they just randomly scattered? No. Scientists have classified all living beings in a structured way. This is called biological classification. In today's video, we'll learn how scientists classify living organisms and why it's important. So let's begin. Why do we need classification? Let me ask you a simple question. Can you remember the names of all living organisms on Earth? Impossible, right? To make it easier to study and understand, scientists have divided living beings into different groups. This is called classification. At first, scientists classified living beings into just groups, plants and animals. But later, they discovered that some organisms do not fit into either category. That is why a more advanced classification system was created. Now, R.S. Whittaker's Five Kingdoms system is a modern classification system. In 1969, scientist R.S. Whittaker divided all living organisms into 5 kingdoms, which we still use today. The 5 kingdoms are Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Includes bacteria and blue-green algae in the Monera Kingdom. The characteristics of Monera unicellular and prokaryotic. Some are autotrophic, some are heterotrophic. Includes amoeba, paramecium, euglena in the Protista Kingdom. The characteristics of Protista unicellular but eukaryotic. Some are autotrophic, some are heterotrophic. Includes mushrooms, yeast and molds in the fungi groups. The characteristics of fungi heterotrophic. Includes all plants in the Plantae group. The characteristics of Plantae autotrophic, performs photosynthesis. Includes all animals in the Animalia group. The characteristics of Animalia heterotrophic, capable of movement. This is how scientists classified all living beings into 5 groups. Of course, Animalia. How are organisms classified? When classifying organisms, scientists look at certain key characteristics such as cell type, prokaryotic or eukaryotic, number of cells, unicellular or multicellular, mode of nutrition, autotrophic or heterotrophic, movement, can it move on its own? Based on these features, every organism is placed into correct kingdom. In botany, study of plants. One of the most important branches of classification is botany, the study of plants. The word botany comes from the Greek word botan, meaning plant. Botany studies plant growth, reproduction and structure. It helps in agriculture, medicine and environmental science. Many things we use daily, such as food, medicine, wood, come from plants. So, botany is not just a subject in books. It plays a major role in our daily lives. Now, let's test your knowledge and answer these questions in the comments. Which kingdom does euglena belongs to? Protista or Animalia? Is fungus a plant or something different? Write your answers in the comments and let's see who gets it right. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious. Bye bye.